Should I walk into the frame? Hey, what is up everyone? So I want to give a quick overview of everything I've done on my Scrambler 400X. Today I'm going to be talking about the windshield that I have here on my Scrambler 400X. Me and my team at Forscher Customs have been working on this windshield. It's a clean rally style windshield kit that actually makes a difference when you ride. This isn't just for looks, this is built for real purpose. Highways, long rides, even light off-road. And the goal was simple, to make the bike more comfortable without ruining its style. So the design is inspired by the Scrambler 1200's iconic touring windshield. That proper rally look, tall, functional but still clean. I didn't want something bulky or ugly. It had to match the bike like it came from the factory. The whole bracket is made out of stainless steel. It's a single piece design, no weird joints, no cheap parts. That means better strength, better durability and a proper solid feedback. And it didn't happen overnight. It took our team almost 2 months to get it right. Testing different shapes, different angles, different heights, just to get that perfect look on the motorcycle. The windshield is 11.5 inch tall. That height is very important. Not too big to look awkward, not too small to be useless. It hits that perfect middle point. Now the biggest difference, comfort. So when you're riding on the highway, the wind hits your chest directly, causing fatigue and stress. With this setup, your chest region stays stress-free. It redirects the wind almost above my neck, and with something like a windshield extender from ProSpec, that redirects air above your head, which makes riding on the highway super comfortable and useful. And no, this does not mess up your stability. I've tested this up to legal speed limits. No wobbles, no weird vibrations. The bike feels planted and confident. This is built to balance both worlds, touring and off-road. You get comfort for long highway rides, but it's still compact enough to not get in your way when you ride off-road. Another big advantage, OEM style fitment. Everything lines perfectly with the bike. No cutting, no jugaad. You can literally install this yourself at home. Simple DIY. So yeah, if you want something with a rally styling, better looks and comfort, something that is practical on the highways, then this is something you can definitely go for. Let me know what you think about this product in the comment section and I'll see you in the next one.